In this video, we'll create this clean cup model using bridge and curve tools in Maya. Start by creating a polygon cylinder. Set the subdivision axis to 20 or more for a smoother curve. Now delete the top face. We don't need it for the open cup. Add some segments for the handle shape. To create the handle, select opposite faces on the side. With both faces selected, go to Edit Mesh and click on the Bridge option. Here enable the Smooth Path plus Curve option and set the direction to Custom. And click on Bridge. This will create a handle with a curve, very helpful to modify the shape by moving curve points. Now tweak the values according to your need. If you go to the X-ray mode, you'll see a curve handle. Hold right click on the curve and go to Control Vertex option. Move the curve vertices to change the handle shape. Use the multi-cut tool to add supporting edge loops. This will help retain the shape when smoothing. Now create a base shape. Then create cup inside shape by extruding the edges. Now we have to assign the materials. Hold right click on the cup and assign new material. Choose AI standard surface inside Arnold. And here's the completed cup. Time to set up a camera. Go to create and then camera and position it for the best angle. For realistic lighting, we'll use an HDRI image. Create AI skydome light and assign the HDRI file. Now hit render using Arnold renderer. Adjust the exposure and intensity depending on your scene brightness. We'll now create a shadow using AI shadow matte material. Once you're happy with the result, export the image and head into Photoshop for some final tweaks. And that's it. We've modeled a 3D cup, added a curved handle using bridge, lit the scene with HDRI and rendered it to perfection. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more Maya tutorials. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy modeling.